Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable credit card funding source in PayPal, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable a credit card funding source in PayPal, begin by logging into your PayPal account on the website or app. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon, often located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select account settings from the options listed. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Payment Methods section. Click on the Payment Methods link to view all your linked funding sources. Locate the credit card you wish to disable. Once you find the credit card, click on it to access more details. Look for the Edit button or option next to the credit card details. Click on Edit to modify your card settings. In the editing options, you should see a choice to remove or disable the card. Select the Remove option to disable the credit card as a funding source. After selecting to remove, you might be prompted to confirm your decision. Confirm the removal when prompted to finalize the process. You will receive a notification indicating that the credit card has been successfully removed. Return to the Payment Methods section to ensure the card no longer appears in your list. If you encounter any issues, consider refreshing the page or logging out and back in. This process should effectively disable your credit card funding source in PayPal. If further assistance is needed, check PayPal's help section for additional support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.